Okay, I'm at the entrance of the Immokalee Fruit Market. Today I want to give you some tips on buying fruit, what to look for so you get the best quality, the best fruit. So I'm going to just walk through the market and I ask people, what's the price and, how fresh is it, that kind of thing. And I look at it, and I can determine a lot just by looking at it. Yeah, it's all right. You look good. You look good. So over here we got some watermelon. Those watermelons over there look good.
Yeah, those are seeded and then...
And those pineapples look pretty good. How much are those pineapples?
$3.
3?
Yes, sir.
All right. And these look awesome. So I gotta walk through. Okay. The watermelons are in season, baby. And this is my man, Leo. And these watermelons here, I think that's what I'm gonna probably go for because he always gives me the best price. He's got the Valencias. I may even pick up some corn today because I want to try and make some something with that, so we'll see. So I'm going to get 6 boxes of these. With oranges, color is important, the orange color, but not always the case. You're still going to get some decent sweet oranges with these. The other thing with watermelons, when you look at the bottom of the watermelon, see where it was sitting on the ground, the more yellow on the bottom, probably the sweeter it's going to be. Now, both of those look pretty good on the bottom, so I'm probably going to grab some of these. So far I got 2 watermelons, I got 3 nice mamets, I got 1 coconut in there. I'll use that coconut meat. And then I've got these things all loaded up with oranges. And that's 6 boxes. I'm just gonna grab 2 pineapples and I'm out of here. Yeah, just those 2 there. No, the one on the, those 2, yeah. I gotta Okay, I picked up 12 ears of corn on the way out because I'm gonna try and make something. I'm gonna surprise you all with a video and with raw corn. So we'll see how that turns out. All right, so that was a great haul. I got some 2 nice pineapples and everything's good. But anyway, the key is to look for as fresh as you can get. Oranges, of course, you want some orange color, but a lot of the ones here that are tinged with green are still great, still very sweet and juicy. And the watermelons, I think they're all going to be okay. I just like to get them when they're just picked, but I haven't been able to get a lot of those this year so far. But they've still been really good. They're crisp, and some of them are starting to get a little mushy. If they're starting to get mushy, then I put it in the blender and blend it up. I put it in the fridge first, make sure it's cold, and it's still delicious, very sweet. But when I eat a watermelon, I want that watermelon crisp, I don't like a mushy watermelon. But so far I've had, really decent watermelons this year. Nothing too mushy that I couldn't eat at all. And what else? The mamets, I'll show you a video in the future about them. They are so tasty. And the oranges, of course, are great. So all the best. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. To your health success. Take care.